after a colder weekend, we are enjoying some nicer weather out there.
Yeah, it makes me itching to get out and start planting things, but George, might be a little early for some of that, huh?
No, don't do that.
Don't
do that. We have another chance of seeing some frost later on this week, guys. Yeah, kind of cold this morning, but with that sunshine, it warmed up nicely today. And we do have some warm weather after that threat of frost a little bit later this week. Kind of getting ahead of ourselves, though. Let's focus on tomorrow. 13 weather ball is a green. No change to the 60s foreseen, but it is blinking bright. We have some much needed rain in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And we've had some high clouds come in this afternoon as we thought they would. Sunshine, blue skies this morning, high level clouds coming in at the present time. Rain is several hours away, so no issues here this evening. Temperatures this morning, only spots getting down below freezing north of M46, generally northern Oceana County down through the Fremont area over toward Alma. Just about everywhere else was well up into the mid and upper 30s. No threat of frost for the next several nights. We'll have a better chance come here on Thursday morning. Lots of high clouds coming in this afternoon. It's out ahead of a cold front that's have some showers here in the Minnesota and western Wisconsin area. That area of showers will arrive after about midnight or a little bit later. Hour by hour, you can see dry up until about 2 o'clock in the morning here at Grand Rapids. Then the showers come to an end for a while tomorrow afternoon. We see a little bit of sunshine, so temperatures should warm back up into the 60s. But another round of some showers tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening before skies clear on out. And then we've got a couple of dry, if not cooler days, only in the 50s both Wednesday and Thursday, but both days lots of beautiful sunshine. Thursday morning is when we got a chance of a little bit of frost. And then as we head toward the weekend, rain moving in Friday night. It'll be with us during the day on Saturday, on and off, maybe a rumble of thunder as well. Not raining all the time, but another round of showers and maybe isolated thunderstorm on Sunday and on into Monday. So when you break down the rainfall chances, about 1/1300ths of an inch here overnight, but only into the evening tomorrow. Dry Wednesday and Thursday. Friday night through Monday is when we'll see our next wet weather period, with dry weather to follow after that. Looking farther ahead, the end of our 10-day forecast, April 28th through May 2nd. High chances we will see warmer than average temperatures across much of the country, with a higher chance for more precipitation as well. Forecast then for tonight along the lakeshore. Red flag warning until 8 o'clock. It'll be breezy. There'll be late night rain moving through. Mid and upper 40s to the south, low and mid 40s north. Northern areas, low and mid 40s. It'll be breezy later on tonight again with late night showers. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll drop down to around 47 to 48. 13 on your side forecast. Rain tomorrow afternoon, ending in the evening, dropping into the 50s to near 60 Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday as well. So 3 dry days. Friday night, Saturday, Sunday. Look at those temperatures, upper 60s and low to mid 70s, guys. Just slightly cooler next week, but above average temperatures. It should be dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday until we see a chance of a shower the following Thursday. A little more spring-like on that forecast.
Yeah, most definitely.
Looking forward to it. Keeping an eye on some of those overnight temperatures, though, this week.
Yeah, we are.
All right. Thanks so much, George.
We start this half hour with a look outside from our downtown Grand Rapids tower cam. Lots of sunshine to enjoy today.
Yeah, but unfortunately, we're still concerned about fire danger in our area. 13 Your Side's Chief Meteorologist George Lessons joins us now. George, what's going on with that?
Mainly the lack of precipitation at the wrong time of year. We've had very little rain since April 17. And with that dead vegetation, any kind of spark or a wind could spread any wildfire. Fire weather danger or fire weather warning, otherwise known as a red flag warning, in effect for all of West Michigan until 8 o'clock this evening, which means burning is prohibited, especially from Muskegon, Newaygo, and Mecosta counties northward, although there is a statewide ban at the present time because we have very high fire risk throughout the day today. It'll go down a little bit tomorrow because we do have some rain coming through. It drops to low by the time we get into Wednesday. Humidity, another factor. We don't show this very often, but when humidity levels get down to around 25% or less, the increase in fire danger actually goes up quite a bit. Temperatures are in the low 60s. High clouds have come in this afternoon, so it'll become mostly cloudy this evening, but at least it's warmer than Saturday was. It was only in the mid and upper 40s and even warmer than yesterday. We do have still a threat of some frost later on this week, but also some much needed rain coming our way. We'll talk about that in just a few minutes.
Yeah, some really good reminders to take care of our planet. It's the only home we have, you know, so some fantastic advice
And
there.
we're pretty lucky here in Michigan. We got some beautiful nature out here.
Just fantastic.
Absolutely.
And some good weather, George.
And we want to keep it that way. Yes, keep everything nice and clean for everyone to enjoy, future generations as well. We do need some rain around the area. The good news is we have a little bit here tonight. That's why the 13 weather ball tonight is blinking bright. We have some rain showers in sight while you sleep, and also during the afternoon tomorrow. It's also green, no change to the 60s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Our dog walking forecast, Daisy, you're going to time it just right for Lizzie to take you out. Going to give you a green paw this evening because there's really no threat of rain up until after midnight. 60s dropping into the 50s this evening, and tomorrow morning those showers will be to the east, so your morning walk give you the green paw with temperatures much warmer than last night. We'll be down into the low 50s. As far as our sunshine tomorrow, we'll have a little bit of a late morning, early afternoon sunshine. Not as much sunshine as we saw during the day today to create green energy, but look at the winds. Kind of a windy day here during the day tomorrow, keeping our planet green. As far as sunshine, we had a lot of sunshine and clear skies early this morning. Temperatures staying above freezing in most areas except off to the north, but these high clouds and the winds are going to keep us from getting anywhere near that here tonight. There are some showers back in western Wisconsin. It's going to take a while to get into west of Michigan. Hour by hour, you can see the rain not here until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and then it moves out after about 8 a.m. Little afternoon sunshine early on, and then some more showers rolling on through, and then skies clear here for Wednesday. A lot of sunshine, but cooler, back down into the 50s after being 60s tomorrow. Lots of sunshine again on Thursday. We might see a threat of frost on Thursday morning, and then over the weekend we'll see some rain starting on Friday evening. Most of the day will be dry Friday, but rain on and off. Some showers into Saturday as well. Not raining all the time, but more showers on into Sunday as well, and these will linger on into Monday. So Friday night through Monday, we've got some showers on the way. In terms of rainfall, this is what we'll see overnight. Generally less than 1/10 of an inch. Some areas just enough to wet the ground. And then heading into Friday night through at least Monday, we could see up to 1.5 inches of rain off in the northern counties. We could be approaching 1 inch total here in Grand Rapids. Looking farther ahead, this is just beyond our 10-day forecast. High chances that much of the country will have warmer than average readings heading into the first 6 days of May, and we have an equal chance of seeing more or less precipitation during that same 7-day period. The higher chances will be back to our west. So tonight, that red flag warning or fire weather warning in effect until 8 p.m. Then it expires as the winds will be breezy early tonight and then pick up again late tonight. That's when the showers will arrive. Low and mid 40s northern part of the lakeshore zone, mid and upper 40s from Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern areas will be down into the mid 40s with that red flag warning or fire weather warning expiring at 8. Again, similar conditions, breezy this evening and then increasing again later on tonight. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll be right around 47 to 48 with the showers rolling through late tonight. 13 on your side forecast. Showers will end tomorrow evening after developing again in the afternoon. Dry Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as we climb from the mid-50s on Wednesday to the upper 60s on Friday. It'll be a warm and windy and humid summer-like day on Saturday with showers and non-severe thunderstorms, but a high of 74. We'll hang on to the warm weather into Sunday with some scattered showers. We'll also hang on to the wind through Monday. Dry weather most of next week, mid and upper 60s to near 70. There's just a chance of a shower the following Thursday. So cool down here midweek, guys, but back to almost summer-like weather this weekend.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Wish it didn't come with some of the rain with the warmer temperatures, but we'll deal with that.
Yeah.
You bet.
Thanks, George.
Well, today's weather certainly improved from over the weekend. It was very chilly on Saturday and pretty cold on Sunday, but at least an improvement, and today was an improvement over yesterday. 13 weather ball is green, so no change to those 60s foreseen. Well, it is blinking bright. We do have some showers overnight and again on Tuesday in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And your highs today climbed into the 60s everywhere, low and mid 60s, including 64 here at Grand Rapids. Just a little bit warmer than our average high of 61. Came within 3 degrees of our forecast high. Phew, just made it there. We've done that 4 days in a row now. As far as the current weather, we've had sunshine this morning and some high clouds are now moving in late this afternoon and this evening. It's out ahead of a cold front that is bringing some showers into western Wisconsin. So it's going to be a while before we see those move in here, and the clouds will thicken up here overnight tonight. As far as our hour-by-hour forecast, between now and about 2 o'clock in the morning, it'll stay dry here at Grand Rapids. Showers arriving a little bit after midnight over the northwest counties. Here come the showers, and then they're pretty much done by 8 o'clock in the morning, so your morning commute should be dry. But in the early afternoon, we start to see a few breaks in the clouds, and then late in the afternoon, we have some scattered showers move through. Not an all-day rain, not going to be a washout. And then the showers move on out, and a cold front goes through, so that's going to drop our temperatures and clear our skies out very late on Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Look at that, lots of sunshine here on Wednesday afternoon, and then high pressure building in. It's going to be rather chilly here on Thursday morning. Temperatures could get down close to freezing once again, but lots of sunshine expected later on in the day through at least Friday. Here's the rain through 2 o'clock in the morning, just enough to wet the ground over the northwest counties, about 1/10 of an inch or less over most areas. But in the afternoon tomorrow, we'll start to pick up some more showers, about 1/4 of an inch here, maybe 1/2 an inch down toward the Michigan-Indiana border, and then that would be just about it. If you missed this last week on Friday, the long-range outlook for May 4th through 17th has high chances for warmer temperatures here in West Michigan, and the preferred area for more precipitation out here in the Midwest. We have an equal chance, either more or less, during that same 2-week period. So for your Tuesday, look for showers to redevelop in the afternoon, otherwise mostly cloudy skies. Upper 50s to low 60s. Those south winds will be breezy once again. Mid 60s northward, breezy conditions with afternoon showers on and off. And similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll look for highs between about 63 and 65. 13 on your side forecast. Dry Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as we climb out of the 50s into the upper 60s by Friday. Rain Friday night, showers and possible thunderstorms, and rather humid and windy on Saturday. All of those elements, 74 for a high, 71 on Sunday with some scattered showers remaining. During a little bit cooler, but above average Monday through Wednesday of next week. Might be some showers again the following Thursday.